so now that we've looked at fractions, let's have a look at how we can make fractions ourselves. So remember, when we do them, they have to be exact. So the best way to do that, I was using scissors to show you earlier. The best way to do it yourself is to fold. Now when we fold, we have to make sure that the corners are all lined up. Okay, so they're not like this. All right, they're all lined up perfectly. All right. Now this takes a lot of practice. Okay. So that's what we need to do, we just need to practice. All right, so if I folded that into two sections, 1, 2, put my corners together, and then I folded down the middle, and now I've got 2 sections, 1, 2. What have I folded it into? Halves or quarters? Halves. 1 half and 2 half. All right, now if I fold that back again, and I fold it again, so remember, we go corner to corner, and corner to corner, so they're not overlapping, they're just perfectly lined up. Okay, and then we fold it down flat. See, because at the moment it's just kind of curved. We need to fold it flat. There we go. Might be easier to do on a table, so what I'll do is show you how to do it against the table after this so you can see. Okay? Open it back up. Now, how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I folded it into quarters. Absolutely. The other way we can make quarters, because there's two ways we can make quarters, we can fold it in half, line up my corners, oh, make sure that they're perfect, there we go, make it go flat. Then last time we folded it this way, okay, but this time we could fold it so it's long, thin. So before it was short and fat, now we can make it long and thin. Corner to corner, and then make it flat, all the way down to the bottom, all the way up to the top. And when we open this one, we've also got quarters. Now why is this one quarters? Because there's still 4 sections. There's this one, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sections still. Okay, just like there were 4 sections here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just a different way. But these all match each other. They're all the same size. They're all exactly the same size. They're all exactly that big. And because they're all equal, and there's 4 of them, it makes quarters. Okay? Okay, so now we're against the table. It might be easier for you to see. So, fold your paper over so that the corners match up. And this corner matches up. Hold it with this hand. Hold it tight so that these aren't going to move. It's not going to slide around. And this hand makes it go flat. Move that over there so you can see. This hand makes it go flat all the way down. All the way down. Now, it's not going to move because this hand's keeping it really steady. And this hand's making it flat. Okay, let's show again. So we fold it over so that our corners line up. We've not gone over here, not gone over here. Our corners are lining up. This hand holds it down. It's not going anywhere. And this hand makes it flat. There we go. And then when we unfold it, we've got our quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all exactly the same. They're all identical, and that's what's important when we do our fractions, is they all have to be the same. Okay? Why don't you go and try folding your own pieces of paper into halves and then quarters in different ways. Okay? Remember to get your corners as lined up as perfectly as they can. Okay?